India's largest and Asia's second largest dedicated insurance news platform, Insurance Alerts, is pleased to announce 5th Annual India Insurance Awards 2022.
इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री का अपना अवार्ड.
Inviting life insurance companies, general insurance companies, health insurance companies, brokers, TPA, web aggregators, and insurtechies to nominate their companies.
The winners will be selected by our eminent jury members. They are Mrs. Madhulika Bhaskar, Officiating Chairman cum Managing Director CMD, New India Assurance Company Limited. Dr. S. Prakash, Managing Director MD, Star Health and Allied Insurance Company Limited. Mr. G. Srinivasan, former Chairman cum Managing Director CMD, New India Assurance Company Limited, United India Insurance Company Limited. Director National Insurance Academy, Pune. Mr. Milan Karat, former Chairman cum Managing Director CMD, United India Insurance Company Limited, Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited, Insurance Ombudsman Mumbai. Mr. Kamalji Sahi, former Managing Director MD, and Chief Executive Officer CEO, Star Union Daiichi Life Insurance Company Limited, Head of Profit Center, LIC of India. Director, India First Life Insurance Company Limited, Angel Broking Limited, Punjab Tractors Limited, and CAMS Insurance Repository Limited. Mr. Sudhin Roy Chaudhary, former Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, MD and CEO, LIC International, Bahrain. Member, Life at RDAI.
The nomination will open on Tuesday, the 7th of June, and will close on Saturday, the 25th of June 2022. So what are you waiting for? Nominate your company in one or multiple categories from more than 20 categories. More the categories, more the chances of winning. For more details, call us on 7977733908 or mail us on events@insurancealerts.com.
इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री का अपना अवार्ड.
Welcome to Insurance Alerts broadcast. I am Vivek Jain here. Today we have with us Mr. Manoj Jain. Mr. Manoj Jain is CMD of Shriram Life Insurance Company. Welcome to the show, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Vivek. Talking to you is always a pleasure. Yes, sir. Tell me.
Sir, my first question to you is why should a person buy a health insurance policy from a life insurance company when he has the option of buying from health insurance companies and general insurance companies, which is typically he has been doing or they have been doing?
See, if you see last 10 years, the customer buying pattern has evolved. Earlier, people or the customer used to buy 10 different things from 10 different places. Then this concept of super bazaar and the big bazaar has come, whereas in one place, the customer go and do the shopping for all his consumables and all those items. Primarily, this is ease and getting all the places at getting all the things at one place. Similarly, in the financial services also, or in insurance particularly, those days are over when the customer for life insurance, he'll go to a life insurance agent. For general insurance, he'll go to a general insurance agent. For health insurance, he'll go for a health insurance. So if all the products are available from one single agent or one single distributor, it will always be better for a customer to buy from the known guy whom he has trusted for life product, which is a very longer product, where health insurance is a very short-term product, so 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, where life insurance starts from 5 to 20 or 25, 30 years. So it's going to be win-win for both an agent as well as for the customer to buy from the same agent.
Sir, but life insurance companies are not equipped, or even their agents are not trained for selling a health insurance, because that itself has a lot of technicalities and selling pattern is totally different than life.
I partially agree with you. See, what I'm saying is that, yes, like the very technical product, a normal agent may not be able to sell. But to my understanding, what a limited understanding I have on the health insurance side, 60 to 70% of the plan or 80% of the plan are very simple and easy to sell. You can call them as across the counter product. Those product doesn't require much technicality, because if you see the basic fundamentals, what is the basic fundamental why a customer is looking for life insurance? If anything happens to him, his family should be taken care of it. In case anything happens to the customer or the breadwinner, the life insurance will pay. Nowadays, health insurance has become also another essential requirement. So if a customer takes both, then he is completely free. If anything happens during his lifetime, he suffered critical illness or any diseases or any other ailments, then the health insurance policy will take care of it. And if nothing happens, by God forbid, if the customer had some injury or he's no longer in this world, then the life insurance take care. So what will happen is, it is a totally complete composite solution for a customer. And if it is coming from one single place, then nothing like it. Rather, to be very honest, life insurance agents, historically, they are selling critical illness riders. They are nothing, basically, they are all diseases, and major critical diseases are get covered. And most of the life insurance companies are having riders, health rider, medical rider, accident death benefit riders, all those are selling. And to my understanding, close to around 10% of the life insurance policies are getting sold with one or the other rider. So that's not new for an agent and even for the customer. So I come from a camp and strongly believe, if regulator allows, because other angle to it is, let's take example, the number of agents which are there in life insurance is around 10 lakh agents, maybe more than that now. The latest number is around 15, 16 lakhs. Now, these agents are having their set of customers. By one decision from a regulator, these 16 lakhs agent and distributors can go and meet. If they are meeting 10 customers or they're taking 10 customers in a year, 1.6 crore to customers can be reached overnight to sell a health insurance policy. I'm not saying that 1.6 crore more policies will get sold, but definitely even if 50% policies additionally get sold, those many customers will get an additional cover. Otherwise, they may not be buying or taking it. So from that angle, it's like, I don't know, the multi-car product company showroom is not a very popular thing in India. In some big cities, it is already started, but worldwide, that's a very common phenomenon. Because you have an infrastructure, you have a workshop, you're keeping car of one brand, or you're keeping car of 5 brand, you're giving a more choice to a consumer, and the viability of the dealership becomes much more better. Similarly, for my agent, there will be another stream of income if he sells, and he will be more closer to his customer for his composite needs.
That's great. But sir, coming back to the insurance company, don't you think if they start selling health insurance, they will need a separate set of infrastructure and a backend for processing the claims, cashless, and so many things are there? Because life don't have those kind of things.
Yes, your question is very right. It can be handled in multiple ways. One way is that not necessarily the life insurance company should design their own product. Companies can have a tie-up with a health insurance provider, and the distribution facilities can be used. That is one way. Second way, if at all the regulator permits the complete integration, then already a setup is there. Already a claim servicing team is there in place. The underwriting team is there in place. The actuarial team is there in place. The branding team is there in place. So to have a standalone health insurance company or having a health insurance company within life insurance company, definitely the economy of scale and the cost will be much more advantageous, and the benefit of that can be given to the customer. So I agree with you that it will require a little different mindset, because in life insurance, claim is important, but the regular servicing is not there. Where in health insurance, you have to have claims, number of claims will be more, the interaction will be customer will be much larger. But I think all life insurance companies are fully equipped to do that. And if those facilities are not there, it can be provided. The larger challenge is, whether it's for health insurance company, whether it's for general insurance company, whether it's for life insurance company, is to build distribution. Rest all can be done at much easier way, at a much lesser cost.
Do you think, sir, even customer will have some pricing benefit as he's buying a combo product? Will it be cheaper for him?
Theoretically, if you ask me, yes. Because if a same person is selling one product, another person is coming and selling, and customer is buying from a second person a second product, if he's buying a product from the same agent, definitely he should get an advantage. For that, if a complete integration is allowed, the product can come from the same life insurance company, a completely bundled product. I don't know whether you're aware or not, Shriram Life was the first company to have this combo product with a health insurance company 15 years back. And regulator has permitted all that, because the underwriting of that product for health was done by the concerned health insurance company, and for life it was done with life insurance company. But the packaging was done, it was a co-branded product. So that can also be worked out, and it can be, as I said, win-win for both. Health insurance companies can use this additional distribution network which is available, and the life insurance company can have one more revenue stream. And the benefit of that definitely will, some way or other, will get passed to the customer.
In that case, sir, don't you think tomorrow general insurance companies will say, even we want to sell life insurance now? As
theoretically, if they want to do that, there's no problem at all. It's a regulator has to take a decision, because worldwide, if you see, there's something called IFA, or there's something called financial advisor. A financial advisor or a customer, if say from my financial, I'm also a customer. From my financial advisor, I expect that he should know about general insurance also. He should know about health insurance also. He should know about mutual fund also. He should know about ULIP plan also. He should know about life insurance. He should know fixed deposit. So from that angle, I don't see, if tomorrow general insurance company want to sell life insurance product, as an industry player, we will be very happy, because what I will look there is that in general insurance also, we have another 20 lakhs agent, and there also almost as I 80 to 85% product gets sold across the counter. Off the shelf products are there. Our off the shelf product can be easily sold, and we will get another market, another set of customers, which otherwise will be little more time consuming for a life insurance industry or a life insurance agent to reach to those customers. So there's absolutely no issue. It's up to the regulator to take a decision and gradually start opening, looking to the larger benefit to the customer. And this will definitely help a much better insurance penetration. You know, our penetration is less than 4%. This will help increasing our penetration, and our regulator is very, very forward looking. Especially the new IRDA chairman who has come is a very, very forward looking person. And this will be a win-win for customer, for industry, and for the regulator.
Don't you think a lot of competition will also come in?
See, I'll tell you, the issue is not of competition. The issue is of the availability. The market is huge. Only 4% insurance penetration is there. India is, we say it's one country, but each state is one country. So competition will always be better and will always be good. And somehow I personally don't like to use the word competition. Rather, I'll use that as a collaboration. So this is a time for a collaboration. And if the entire industry comes together, and again, I'm saying a specialized product of a life insurance company will definitely be sold by a specialized agent of life insurance. A specialized product of general insurance will definitely be sold by a specialized brokers or agent of general insurance. I'm talking about the across the counter product, which is easy to sell, easy to understand. The chances of mis-selling are going to be minimal in that, and that's what I'm advocating.
So this sounds very interesting and goody every time. Do you think there are risk factors also? There must be something, or what do you see in the negative part of the whole story?
See, the risk insurance business is all about risk.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so risk will definitely be there, but we have to see how we can mitigate that. And if you ask me what risk, at least on a distribution side, I don't see any risk. On other side, if there's any risk, it can always be discussed, debated. Industry can have a forum where the discussion can happen. Regulator can facilitate that discussion. And if there are any perceived risk, if at all is there, that can always be discussed and addressed too. But looking to the risk and the reward, I think rewards are much more bigger, because at the end of the day, insurance will definitely help our Indian economy to grow. More people will take mediclaim policies, more prosperity will be there in the hand of a common man. Because otherwise, if any ailment happens, I have seen very closely, the whole lifelong saving of a family goes down the drain because they don't have a insurance, health insurance policy in their hand. It's a simple example, like in a city like Indore, earlier there used to be only one Maruti dealer. Now there are 10 dealers. The car sale has gone at least, if not 10 times, 7-8 times more what used to be in past. So the more availability, more sale, and more revenue, and more better quality product to the customer.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your time. And it was really nice talking to you and understanding how beneficially it will for, come out with a combo product or whatever as per the guidelines which is issued by regulators. Thank you so much, sir. And there'll be some updates. We'll come back to you again on that.
Okay. Thank you very much. And talking to your listeners are always a pleasure. Thank you once again, Vivek Ji. Thank you.
Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.